So let's take a look in the Mind Flossing toolkit for dental professionals. So in here you can see that we've got lots of different compartments, so mindfulness concepts, and then what you can do is pick out a card. So I always like to say these are like the dental tarot, and they're beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And on the back you can see there's lots of information, and then going through a little bit more, there's emotions and thoughts, mindfulness activities. If we look at mindfulness activities, look how cute these are. What are emotions? And then this one is energy and emotions model. If you're interested in mindfulness and perhaps, finding it challenging at the moment, working in practice, I would definitely head on over to My Ninja and order one of these.